Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So if you saw last video last week, we got one coating of the Damon's red coat in the tank. Sloshed it all around, got it covered good, and we let it set and dry for a week. My shop's not heated, so it gets cold all week, so just gave it the whole week to dry up. So we're gonna throw another coat in tonight, get that sloshed around, and second coat, then we'll let it set and dry for probably another week, and I think we're gonna call that good. 2 coats of that should seal it up good, and then I'll get to work on the outside. Nice thick.
Oh yeah, it's cold.
Oops.
Other way. Hold everything back right.
I think that would be good.
All right.
Back in the shop, of course. So normally it's the shiners, but Dan brought over, I don't have my glass on,
Stevens Point Brewery
Stevens Point
Milkshake Malt Porter. It's from Wisconsin.
Ah, you didn't tell me that. No, just kidding.
Hey, it's not Ohio, it's Wisconsin.
Wait, yeah, I ain't gonna complain because I'm in Michigan drinking Texas beer all the time. It's kind of neat little. I'm gonna show you that. I don't know if I'm holding it close or whatever, but so we're gonna give this one a whirl. I'm always open to try a new one.
It's good stuff. I always got to bring a couple packs home when I come back
Didn't
from
blow up on me.
Madison.
Oh, that is pretty good. It's like, well, it's porter, so it's got that thickness. I don't know how to describe that. While Jeremy's working on the gas tank back there, doing the old tilt and twirl, we're gonna enjoy a nice cold brew. Alright, looking in there. I almost said we got it. Jeremy got it sloshed around really good. You can't see it probably on camera, but we're looking at the baffle in there, and looks like it got coated up in there pretty good. He had it flipped upside down. He kind of did a quick movement to try to slosh it up against it too, completely upside down as you saw. So hopefully got a good coating throughout. I'm not hopefully, I'm sure we did, top and bottom as well as the baffle in between. So that's gonna dry for another week, and then I can start treating the outside, painting the rest of it. Pointing at me, you don't kind of see me. So yeah, I'll get the rest of it cleaned up, get it covered, sealed up again, and well, actually we still got to dump this, don't we?
Yep.
And then
Yeah, man, I don't think it's not even sloshing back.
yeah,
I think we used it all up. Cool.
we tipped it up like in the last video to dump the excess back in the can. We held it up for, I don't know, a minute or so. Nothing came out at all. So, and the first round we poured the whole can in there, full can, only half came back out. So it makes sense that we poured a half can in, coated it. This time we did more, so maybe use the whole can up and staying in there. So like I said, gonna let it dry for another week, and then we'll start treating the outside of the can. All right, so we got the tank all coated. I got this on here just to keep Leo from getting fur down in the opening or reaching his stupid paw down in there. So we took a little break. It's Jeep night, the guys are over. So we did a tire rotation for Dan. So got done with that. Now we're gonna get back to the Willys. I got some Permatex and I've got the gasket. So we're gonna get this. This is just the loop for the engine lift. So we're gonna pull that off. We're gonna get the gasket in there, put the thermostat housing on next.